In this video, I want to share with you some low competition Juneteenth niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those Juneteenth niches, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So it is Wednesday, May 8th, 5:28 p.m., and I'm sitting at 39 sales, $57 in royalties. That's going to put me at 542 sales for the month and $820 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for almost 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the next big holiday that we got coming up besides Father's Day is going to be Juneteenth. And this is a huge holiday. It does really well every year. If you don't know what Juneteenth is, it is officially Juneteenth National Independence Day. It's a federal holiday in the United States. It is celebrated annually on June 19th to commemorate the ending of slavery. So really big niche. The only problem with this niche is that a lot of merch by Amazon sellers, including myself, can get it wrong. So what most merch by Amazon sellers will do is they will just basically see what is selling and just make copies of those. And like if we come right here and let's see, like for example, a lot of people are probably just going to make a whole bunch more of these, like these ones right here. So Juneteenth, breaking every chain since 1865. So there's already like a million of those designs. Then we got like this one right here, I am Black History. So if you just make another one of these designs, you're not really adding any value to the marketplace. You know, when everyone's zigging, you want to zag. You want to be kind of different. So the niches I'm going to share with you here are a little different. And to be honest, actually, they're more focused towards like kids, like young boys and young girls. And you'll see here in a second why these niches are good, because they're different than these ones, which everyone is going to do. So let me just go ahead and show you the first one that I have for you, and it is this one right here, which is I'm Ready to Crush Juneteenth. When we hit enter on Merch Informer, we're going to see that for this niche right here, I'm Ready to Crush Juneteenth, there's only 101 results, and this is what I'm talking about. So you've probably seen this type of design before. Usually people say I'm ready to crush like 5th grade, 2nd grade, but here they're taking this design style, I'm ready to crush, with the young boy on the tractor, on the big pickup truck or whatever it is, monster truck, and they have Juneteenth. Right here we're going to see that these are selling. They got BSRs, they got reviews, and there's not that many of them. It's kind of like thinking like outside of the box, and we can actually categorize it right here by sales rank. And let's see if we can find some ones with some really low BSRs. So right here, 203, it is in the Climate Pledge Friendly category. So that's the first one that I have for you. And if we go to test to see if it is trademarked, I'm Ready to Crush Juneteenth. Type it in, click on 025. I'm not seeing anything pop up for that phrase. All right, so that is the first low competition Juneteenth that I have for you, and it is for young boys, and it is I'm Ready to Crush Juneteenth. Now the second low competition Juneteenth design or niche that I have for you is also for kids, and it is Little Miss Juneteenth. We're going to see there's only 317 results, so low in competition. And this is what the designs look like right here. You're going to see it's a young black girl with an afro using the green, yellow, and red kind of colors like this. And these are selling really low in competition. When I go to test to see if it's trademarked, I'm not seeing anything pop up. Now Little Miss looks like it is trademarked in the 025 class right here. So one thing that you can do if you're kind of like nervous, this is what I like to do if I'm kind of like having like second guessing about a niche, if it's trademarked or not, is I come up here to feature, and I will go to newest arrivals, and I will scroll down and I will find one that has the phrase or the title that I want to use. So like right here, I think it is this one. So we're going to see Little Miss Juneteenth. We see Little Miss Juneteenth in the title, and it was actually just uploaded today, May 8th, and it's gone through. All right, so that's how you can tell if it is safe or not, or if you're going to get rejected or not, basically. So it's low in competition, looks like it is safe, and I actually went to Creative Fabrica, and I typed in Little Miss Juneteenth, and right here they actually have some pretty good designs. And these all come with the print-on-demand special license. So you could actually just take these, as long as you have an account, well, you can just purchase design too, I think, for a couple bucks. But if you sign up with Creative Fabrica, you can just download as many as you want, and these look pretty good to me. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. It's one of the places where I like to get a lot of my designs, fonts, and clip art. So that's the second niche that I have for you in the Juneteenth niche. And then the next one that I have for you is also, it looks like a good one, and it is I paused my game to celebrate Juneteenth. Only 277 results. Here what the designs are looking like. We can see the BSRs, and we've seen this design style sell or do really well with pretty much any holiday. You can just take I paused my game to celebrate Juneteenth, Halloween, Thanksgiving. Like I said, we've seen this design style do well. It is selling low in competition. I wasn't able to find any trademark for it, so it looks like it is safe. And they even have some designs on Creative Fabrica that look pretty good. Like this one looks pretty good in my opinion. Pretty much they all look pretty good. So again, you can just take these and upload them. But that is the third Juneteenth. It can be used for teens, for young children, or even for men or women. So I think it works for all ages, but probably for teens probably would make the most sense. And then the next low competition Juneteenth design that I have for you is also for kids, and it is I Dig Juneteenth. Only 94 results. You can see like this one right here. I dig Juneteenth. It has a date, which is something that I'd recommend that you put in. It's got a BSR. It is selling, and we've seen this design style sell good or well as well, where it says I dig, and you basically put in the niche right here. Again, it's more for like toddlers, boys, for example. I'm not seeing anything trademarked for it. I Dig Juneteenth. Now, I wasn't able to find any designs on Creative Fabrica for this, so you would have to make the designs yourself. Maybe use AI, Ideogram, Midjourney, something like that, or hire a designer. This could be another good one. Now, some of these, like this one, it doesn't have a BSR yet, but it was just recently uploaded, so probably will sell as we get closer to the Juneteenth date. And then the last low competition Juneteenth niche to have for you is not necessarily for kids, but I still think it is a good one. And it is this phrase right here that says stepping into Juneteenth. Only 183 results. You can see what the designs are looking like. We can see the BSRs. I wasn't able to find any trademark. So it looks like it is safe, but I was able to find a lot of designs on Creative Fabrica that do come with the print-on-demand special license. All right, so those are a total, I think, of 5 Juneteenth designs that are low in competition. The majority of them are for kids, which I think is good because you're kind of doing something different, and you're not just going to be doing the typical Juneteenth designs that we see every year where there's already like a million of them. All right, now I want to share with you some resources on how you can get sales like this on a regular or daily basis. So the first thing is I'm now offering a membership. So if you go to my channel or on this video, you just click this join button. You can watch the video right here.
Are you ready to take?
Let me pause that. So I'm actually going to get rid of the gold. You can just sign up for the bronze if you want. Just basically support the channel, get priority reply to comments. But the most value is going to be in the silver package right here, where I will be sharing exclusive members only videos. And if you go to my channel and you watch this video right here, become a member and increase your sales, you'll kind of get an idea of the type of content that you will be receiving. Basically, you will get 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. I'm just going to be sharing with you like 5 to 10 low competition phrases, low competition niches to help you increase your sales. And it's only $5 a month. So basically, like, actually, I think it might be like $6. It's 99 pesos. I'm in Mexico, so the dollar is always changing. So I think it's in between like 5 or 6. I want to thank everybody that did sign up today. The video will come out every Monday at 6 a.m. Central Time. So if you want to sign up for that, you just click on that join button and you can get more information by watching the video here. So check that out if you're interested. I also have a course. So if you're like a beginner to Merch by Amazon, you're stuck in tier 10, you're making like less than $100 a month, you're a beginner, you're struggling to get sales, check out this course that I have. It's for beginners. I have it on Gumroad. I did have it on Udemy, but I switched it because Udemy just takes too much money and they take too long to pay. Gumroad, they basically pay me the next day, and they only take 10%. So it's still the same price, only 20 bucks. You can click on the link. It is the first link in the description right here. Merch course will take you to this link right here. So if you want to sign up, check it out. I also want to thank everybody that has been purchasing this course as well. And then the last thing is the Creative Fabrica affiliate link. Again, this is where I get all my designs from, fonts, clip art, things like that, to help me get sales like this on a daily basis. Now, I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. Last 2 days, 150, 124, and I think we're going to get pretty close to 100 today. So that is very cool. I'm a tier 8,000 seller, but I should be getting a tier up here pretty soon. I'm almost tapped out. But anyways, that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much. Now, if you just want to support the channel and get free content, that's fine as well. You can comment, like, and subscribe. I put out like 3 videos a week, basically about niches, prompts, anything related with Merch by Amazon and print on demand. All right, so thanks so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.